Are you best food processor blender combos? Food processor blender combos are indispensable tools in modern kitchens, combining the versatility of food processors with the blending power of traditional blenders. These appliances simplify meal prep, allowing users to chop, blend, knead, and puree with a single device. To help consumers navigate this crowded market, product number Ninja Blender. The Ninja BL770 is a powerhouse appliance designed for users who need high performance and versatility. Its 1500-watt motor powers 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, making it suitable for everything from smoothies to dough preparation. With a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and 2 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cups, this model caters to both large batches and single servings. The BPA-free components and dishwasher-safe design simplify cleanup. In testing, the BL770 excelled at crushing ice and blending frozen ingredients, producing consistently smooth results. The food processor bowl handled chopping tasks evenly and needed product number Ninja Blender. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System offers a more streamlined design compared to the BL770 while retaining powerful functionality. With a 1200-watt motor, it features 3 versatile functions: blender, ice crusher, and food processor, alongside Auto IQ technology for intelligent blending programs. The included 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, 5-cup precision processor bowl, and 18-ounce single-serve cup provide flexibility for various tasks. During testing, the Auto IQ technology impressed with its ability to adjust blending patterns for optimal results. The compact design is a plus for users with limited counter space. However, the smaller food processor bowl product number Hamilton Beach Blender. The Hamilton Beach 58163 is a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance and versatility for its price point. With a 700-watt motor, it includes a 40-ounce glass blending jar, a 20-ounce travel jar, and a 3-cup food chopper attachment. The patented wave action system ensures smooth blending results by continuously pulling ingredients toward the blades. While a 58163 lacks the power and capacity of premium models, it performs well for basic tasks like smoothies, salsas, and light chopping. The glass jar is durable and handles temperature extremes, but the smaller food chopper attachment may not suit larger meal prep. This model is product number Ninja All-in-One Blender. The Ninja TB401 is the premium option in this lineup, boasting a 1,800-watt motor and advanced blend sense technology for precise speed and time adjustments. It includes a 72-ounce pitcher, a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and a 24-ounce single-serve cup with a spout lid. The slicing and shredding disc adds versatility for meal prep tasks. This model excelled in all tests, delivering perfectly smooth results and consistent chopping. The variable speed control and liquid detection features enhance user experience, while the large capacity is ideal for families. However, its high price may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the machine's product number 14-cup blender. The Lovecoup HGM410 is a feature-rich appliance designed for users who need a multifunctional kitchen assistant. With a 600-watt motor and 11 attachments, it handles tasks like blending, chopping, slicing, shredding, juicing, and kneading. The 14-cup food processor bowl and 1.5-liter blender jar offer ample capacity for large meals. In testing, the HGM410 delivered consistent results across all functions, though its 600-watt motor struggled slightly with tougher ingredients. The dual lock protection ensures safe operation, and the BPA-free components are easy to clean. This model is ideal for use